Falcons EdTech Tutorials. On this episode, how to sign into Chrome on a smartphone.
Hey Hadley and Philemon, this is Falcons EdTech Tutorial Videos, and we're just here to show you the two different ways that you can sign into Google Chrome using either an iPhone or an Android. To see how to do it with a desktop or a laptop computer, check out the main video, which is called How to Sign into Google Chrome. All right, without further ado, check out these screen recordings, which will show you very simply how to sign into Google Chrome using an iPhone or an Android smartphone.
Signing in to Google Chrome on an iPhone is even easier than signing into Google Chrome on a laptop or a desktop computer. So the first thing you need to do is go to your App Store and get Google Chrome. Now, I've already got it downloaded, so once you do have it downloaded, open it up, and once you do, you'll be able to sign in. Click on the user icon in the top right-hand corner, then click on Sign into Chrome, and click on Add Account. Here, you can sign in with your WQSB email. And again, it'll direct you to the WQSB login page, so you have to put in your email twice. And then you just simply need to put in your password. And click on Stay Signed In. Here you do want to turn on sync because that'll bring your bookmarks across from your other devices. And remember, this is a managed account, which means WQSB can see everything that you're doing, so use it for school purposes only. You want to leave all these options checked and click Done. And there you have it. You're signed in to Google Chrome on an iPhone. Signing into Google Chrome on an Android phone is actually a lot more complicated than signing into an iPhone or even signing into a computer. And in fact, it's actually a lot easier just to set up a work profile, which will mean that you'll have a personal sort of account on your phone and a work account on your phone. So to do that, you need to go into your settings, and then you need to go into accounts and add a new account. I'm going to add a Google account. You could add an Office 365 account if you wished as well. I just find that if you're going to be on an Android phone, which is a Google property, you might as well add it as a Google account. Sign in using your WQSB email. Accept. And enter your password. Yes, you want to stay signed in. At this point, it takes a while for it to set up your phone, and it's going to ask you to do a few different things. Basically, it's setting up a separate system on your phone that you will only use for work-related things. Any app that has a little badge on it will be a work app, and it'll be separate from your personal apps. This takes a little bit of time, so we'll jump ahead to when it finishes. After the phone is finished setting up your work profile, you can return to your home screen. You may not even notice that a new account was added, again, depending on the type of Android phone that you are using. Once here though, for example on a Samsung phone, if I swipe up to see my apps, you'll notice that I now have both personal apps and work apps, or in our case, of course, school apps. If I type on the work apps, all of those apps which have the little badge are the apps I should use for my school-related purposes. So I can use the work-related Play Store app to download things like Teams, Google Classroom, Microsoft Word, Google Docs, whatever it is that you need to use for your school-related purposes. And that is how you set up a Google account or Office 365 account for an Android phone.